Hey, welcome everybody. I wanted to show you how to get access to your assignments. So once you've logged in here, you're going to go into your classes tab. Then you're going to come and find the class that you want. Your screen will look different. You won't have just physical science classes. You'll go into the physical science class. And from there, you're going to click on the Content tab. So you're going to click on this Content tab. Sometimes you'll find some of these assignments down here in your class plan, but the best bet is always to go into the Content tab. And then you'll look for the assignment that you're looking for. So if you scroll down here on the left side, you'll see these folders, and you'll scroll down. We're not right now. I'll give you the example coming up here. So you'll see when you click on something on the left, it will open up on the right, just kind of like a textbook. It's an indexing system. And you can go through and find that assignment. You can also click on where it says here in the left, like if you want to go in here to the 1.05 lab, or you can just scroll down like I had been doing, and it shows you all the unit assignments for this chapter 1. And so if you see here, you'll see lesson link, laboratory, investigation, and then you'll see this instructions. Keep going down and you see this assignment right here where it's written, and it has like a square with a piece of paper in front of it. Those are all of your assignment drop boxes. So if you click onto that, it will open up and it will give you some instructions. So it's going to say, hey, save this assignment to your computer, rename it, complete it. When you're done, submit it to the Dropbox. And you'll see here that when I put my mouse over where it says 1.05 lab, drop and bounce, that it's a link. So you're going to click on that link. And in this case, I'm going to show you, look, there's an attachment too. So you're going to need the attachment. So assignments can be have attachments to them in here like this, or they can be links. I'm going to show you both. So in the assignment, what I want to do is click on that because I'm actually going to need this to answer one of the questions. And this is about interpreting a graph, and you'll see that it opens up as a Word document. And then you can save that to your computer. Once the document is open, you can click Enable up here, and now you could edit it. So you could go through and save this document. But I'm going to minimize this and go back to the lab. So I'm going to click on this link, and it's going to open up in the Google Drive. And now this assignment is not editable. So in other words, you can't draw on this, right on this assignment. And if you try to, it's going to say you need to request access. But I'm going to tell you won't be granted access because this is the master copy. So what you are going to need to do for this is click File, and then you can see down here all these different tabs. You can do a download as a Word document. So that gives you the option there. So all the computers, I believe, have Windows on them, or Word document, Microsoft Word. If not, there's also the ODT, but I recommend Word. You're going to go through, you're going to hit Enable, and now you can write on it. You can place your name right here. You're also going to, whoops, there we go. You can type your name, and then you'll be able to answer all of the questions. When you go to save it, what you'll do is you won't want to just hit save, because otherwise it will put you in your download folder, which is fine, but you want to be able to find it again. So I recommend hitting File and doing Save As. And it will give you some options there. It has that title. See, notice how it's automatically going to the downloads file. You can like click on this and choose a different location. So in my case, I'm going to save it in my physical science folder. Now my folder has a lot of information in it just because I'm a teacher. So I'm pretty specific about where I want things filed, but you might just want to label it physical science. And then what you're going to do is click on this and add at the end your name. Then you're going to hit save and it will save that document to your computer. You really want to put your name on it. That way it gives me information that it's your document, and also it tells you this is the one I'm working on. So that's there to help you also. So with that, that's how you save and download all of your documents. You'll see that when it is time and you're all complete, you're going to come in and you're going to upload your file to this, and all you have to do is go through and find where you labeled it, and then click you open and it will upload, and then you will submit that document. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Make sure to use these instructions, save them if you need them, so that you can do any of your assignments, because we do have several assignments, and then you can go into your assignments Dropbox, and you can also verify whether you've turned them in, their due date, and you can see the attachments on them. So lots of good information, and we'll talk to you next time.